Good afternoon, everyone. So, our team Shadow Protocol today we are going to discuss a important security topic called man in the middle. So, man in the middle is nothing but there is an interceptor in between our communication, like in between the natural communication. Like if we are talking to the server, a man coming in as an intercept in between the server, like the user and the server. That's man in the middle attack usually. So today we are going to discuss about a attack that happened in the Lenovo. As we know, Lenovo is a based company, like a computer manufacturing company. So there happens a incident like Superfish incident. That's we are going to look into today. So the Superfish incident is nothing but where Lenovo is unintentionally exposed its users to a man in the middle attack. So in this case, this is a perfect example to discuss how it happens. Like the Lenovo made a huge mistake that they shipped laptops with pre-installed software called Superfish. Superfish is nothing but is an adware program that designed to inject ads into the web pages. But here the problem is it used as a self-signed root certificate, which means it could intercept the secure HTTPS traffic. It's like HTTPS traffic. We know that when we are connecting to any of the web server, we are going through HTTPS traffic. But this here, it is connecting as a HTTP traffic. It intercept and the Superfish intercept that traffic, and it's it's creating a new certificate as a new certificate authority, and it's installing a root certificate that's happening here, and it's intercept the traffic between the user and what server. So here we can see here the user is trying to access the website like bankofamerica.com, but the thing is we can see the issued certificate, like the CA for this one is issued by Superfish, and the connection is not itself a secure one. It's a just HTTP connection and it's not secure one. So this is what happened there. There is a thing that comes in between the server and what the user. So this is a backend program of Superfish. Like it's nothing but they are trying to create a like PEM file which is used to save the packets. How the packets are moving. We can sniff it and we can store it a file called whatever the file it is, and it comes with an extension called PEM. So this is what happening here. So as we know, the data is over the internet is passing through packets, and one who can able to access those packets, they can they will get the details about they will get more exploited if we get the packet. So over to you, Heman.
Yeah, now we'll see how MITM will work. There are three different stages how MITM works. First stage is interception, second stage is decryption and modification, third stage is forwarding. Now we'll see what is interception. Interception, the attacker positions themselves between the victim and the intended recipient, capturing data as it travels. And when it comes to decryption and modification, if the data is encrypted, the attacker will try to decrypt the data. Then he can alter malicious or inject malicious content into the communication. And the final stage is forwarding. The attacker sends the manipulated or the stolen data to the intended recipient, ensuring neither party realizes the attack. We do have common techniques for MITM attack. Some of them are packet sniffing, session hijacking, DNS spoofing, and ARP spoofing. Now we'll see how what's the impact of the MITM attack. MITM attacks can have a serious consequences for users, leading to financial loss, identity theft, and data breaches. Uh, how here we can see, we know we can discuss about some how that it will affect the individuals. First one is stolen personal information, like their login credentials, credit card details, or some of their sensitive data. And the second thing we can talk about is financial loss. As I mentioned before, there might be stolen personal information of their credit card details, so that there will be financial loss. And the main thing is the identity theft. If ID is stolen from the user, Personal data can be used to open fake accounts, commit fraud, or access government services. And they might be used as a social engineering attacks, like hackers can use stolen information to trick victims into giving up more sensitive data. uh, like these are the common things. And now we'll go to recommended improvements. Over to you, Jomi.
Okay, now we can go for recommended improvements. We can use a VPN to encrypt traffic in order to avoiding public Wi-Fi's, and tools like Wi-Fi firewalls and antivirus programs which can detect and prevent these types of attacks. And we can also go for a multi-factor authentication and always look for a padlock icon in the browser for to check HTTPS and certificate validity. Now, in here we advanced cybersecurity tools are there to in order to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks like Wireshark, Burpsuit, OpenVPN, and VPN and NordVPN and Snort IDS. So by all these tools, we can use this in order to detect and stop attacks before they happen. Next, we can go for prevention for the man-in-the-middle attacks. As cybersecurity threat evolve, emerging defense mechanism like AI-powered security, which uses machine learning to detect unusual networks, which detects the activity instantly, and also we can go for a trust model that by trusting every users and devices as untrusted until they are verified, and also we can go for quantum cryptography, like providing strong future-proof encryption to protect data. So, with the rise of these IoT devices and this smart cities, preventing man-in-the-middle attack is more important than ever. So, to sum it up, man-in-the-middle attack poses a serious risk to users and organization. And here, this in this incident, like Superfish, was a wake-up call for tech industry. Therefore, by using VPNs, multi-factor authentication, strong security tools, and AI defenses, we can fight back. So, as a cybersecurity professional, it's our job to stay vigilant, educate others, and ensure that the systems are protected against these threats. So, thank you.
Thank you.